Welcome to Sparks Toyota. My name is Tracy Luke and I'm one of the sales and leasing consultants here. I would like to take you out on the lot today to show you one of our Sparks certified vehicles. Our certified vehicles include a 7-year or 100,000 mile limited powertrain warranty, as well as a 2-year or 30,000 miles of complimentary recommended service. Let's take a look. Here we have a 2018 Toyota Camry XSE. It has a clean Carfax report and comes equipped with power heated side mirrors with integrated turn signals, keyless entry, and lightly tinted glass. Given its well-rounded nature and long-standing history of dependability, the Toyota Camry is an excellent choice in the highly competitive midsize sedan segment. This Camry has a 19-inch black machine finished alloy wheels and performance tires with lots of tread left. There's also a spare tire and a tire-specific low tire pressure warning system for convenience and safety. As you see, this Camry is in great condition. It has fully automatic projector beam, daytime running, auto leveling, and auto high beam headlamps with delay off, as well as really nice black grille with an iconic Toyota emblem to tie it all together. Under the hood, we have a 4-cylinder 2.5-liter engine with an automatic transmission. This Camry has front-wheel drive and is estimated that drivers receive an impressive 32 miles per gallon on average. Let's not forget that this Camry has only 9,987 miles on it. At the back of the Camry, you can see the antenna and the lip spoiler, along with the quasi-dual chrome-tipped exhaust, the LED brake lights, and sleek badging. Using your key fob, you can open the trunk lid for easy access to the cargo area. Looking to the cargo area, you see that it's very spacious. You can even lower the back seats right from the cargo area for more space as needed. This cargo space also features concealed storage and cargo lights for packing or unpacking at night. In the back seat, you will notice that this Camry has been very well taken care of. Passengers can utilize the fold-down armrests with cup holders and the door bins, as well as the seat back storage. There are also child safety door locks for peace of mind. The front of the cabin is well appointed with nice chrome and metal look interior accents. Drivers and passengers alike will be very comfortable in the power adjustable and heated leather seating. You have a large console with storage, plenty of cup holders, and a power outlet. This Camry is also equipped with a garage door opener, a locking glove box, and a push button start. Here are the easy-to-reach controls for the power side mirrors and internal trunk release, the power door locks with auto lock, and the power window with one touch up and down. This Camry has a very comfortable tilting, telescoping, and leather-wrapped steering wheel with paddle shifters, and on-the-wheel controls for the cruise audio and Bluetooth features. It's also equipped with a very well-lit instrument cluster. Now here's a feature everyone can enjoy, the tilt and sliding panoramic sunroof. This touchscreen display is home to your Intune multimedia and navigation features, and it's paired with 6 speakers. This includes your classic AM/FM radio with a CD player. It's MP3, Sirius XM, and Bluetooth capable, and you can easily connect your devices using the USB and auxiliary ports. This advanced system even includes voice recognition. You also have dual zone automatic climate controls, and everything that you see is very easy to use. Take a look at this backup camera. It's very clear and has guidelines as well as bird's eye view to make backing up a breeze. Thank you for watching. Again, this is a Sparks certified vehicle, which includes a 7-year or 100,000 mile limited powertrain warranty, as well as 2 years or 30,000 miles of complimentary recommended service. It also includes a 160-point quality inspection by Toyota certified technicians, a lifetime Sparks Preferred Customer Program membership, a lifetime 10% loyalty, parts, and service discount, lifetime complimentary rental cars for any service over $400, a lifetime of discounted pickup and delivery for any service work here at Sparks, lifetime complimentary recall checks and Carfax reports, as well as the Lifetime Vehicle Exchange Program, We will buy your car anytime. If you have any questions, please give us a call at 888-272-5869 or visit us at sparkstoyota.com. Thank you.